Here's a structured signal from WellView 365, powered by freshnews.ai. Content automation for healthcare teams is shifting into operations, pushing leaders to standardize ownership, guardrails, and metrics. Executive summary: content automation in healthcare is the coordinated system that drives consistent, policy-aligned messages to patient-facing screens across facilities. By treating it as clinical-adjacent infrastructure, workflows for creating, approving, and publishing content integrate with existing governance and technical standards. The result is more reliable, auditable communication on digital signage that reflects current policies, improves patient clarity, and reduces dependence on manual poster updates. Today's signal: during budget and roadmap reviews, operations leaders are being asked to decide whether content automation platforms sit with marketing or core infrastructure. When these tools stay parked as campaign software, waiting area signage depends on ad hoc requests and local workarounds. Moving ownership into operations this planning cycle forces standards for uptime, approvals, and message change windows across locations. WellView 365 enables replace static posters with dynamic digital signage by centralizing digital synchronization, publishing synchronization, and digital orchestration across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters: here are 4 takeaways. First, waiting area screen content now changes based on operational events and clinical updates, not slow poster cycles, so delays become an operations risk. Second, uptime, on-call support, and incident handling for digital signage must align with other clinical adjacent systems, not marketing calendars. Third, budget, vendor contracts, and roadmaps for content automation platforms should sit with the group accountable for daily patient communication reliability. Fourth, approval flows for patient-facing messages can be standardized and audited instead of routed through informal email threads and one-off design requests. How it works in practice: a typical case involves a new screening guideline or visitor policy that needs to appear on many waiting room screens by a specific date. Clinical leadership drafts the language, compliance reviews it, and someone loads it into the digital signage system and schedules it across facilities. If ownership is unclear and the platform is treated as a marketing tool, requests sit in queues, staff keep using outdated posters, and updates roll out unevenly. When operations owns the workflow, there's a standard template, a defined approval path, and a publishing window tied to policy go live, with a way to confirm locations updated correctly. One practical adjustment: this week, assign a single operational owner for digital signage content changes. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, map current digital signage workflows from request through approval to publish and identify where handoffs slow or fail. Second, review which operational group owns the content automation platform for digital signage and document that ownership. Third, define standard message types and templates for common updates such as policies, wayfinding, and service changes. Fourth, review set basic SLAs for updating patient-facing screens after clinical or policy changes and align stakeholders on those expectations. Read more at wellview365.com.